Hey, our friends, with summer coming up, I thought it would be fun to draw a road trip or a family going on a road trip. I hope you're going to follow along with me. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's get started. I'm using a marker to draw with and marker paper to draw on, but you can use whatever you feel comfortable drawing with, like a pencil or even a crayon. Let's start by drawing our car. We're going to draw it driving towards us, and we're going to start by drawing a line towards the bottom of the paper so that we have room for the top of the car and also the luggage that's strapped to the top. Now let's draw another line above that. This is the bumper for the front of our car. So we'll draw a line the same length right above it. Then we're going to draw a curve coming up and then connecting into the top line. And we'll do the same on both sides. We could also draw two lines right here in the middle for the license plate. We could also draw a little detail on the bumper. Let's draw two more lines going this way and the other way on the other side. Nice. Now let's draw the tires. We're going to draw the letter U for one tire and the same size letter U on the other side for the other tire. Now let's draw the grille for the front of our car. We're going to draw an upside down U that's really wide. So I'm going to start here and come back down on the other side. And I'm using these two lines to try to match it up and make it even on both sides. Oh, and then we could draw that same curve on the inside. I started in the middle, but you could start on one side and then draw to the other. Oh, let's turn this into a grill by drawing another line right in the middle. Now, because it's just me in the studio, I'm not drawing with one of my kids, this lesson might go a little faster than usual. So if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. All right, now let's divide the top in half also by drawing another line and also down here at the bottom. That's an easy way to evenly space those lines. Then we're going to do the same thing, go in the other direction. Let's draw a line in the middle and then draw another line on the left and also on the right side. Next, let's draw the headlights. We're going to draw it right above the left wheel and another circle right above the right wheel. Then we can also draw another circle that's smaller inside. That way our headlights have a little border or frame going around them. Oh, now let's draw the shape of our car. We'll first start here. We're going to draw a curve that goes over the headlight, around, and then down. Let's do that same curve over here. Always think the front of cars look like faces. You have the eyes for the headlights, and then the grille usually looks like the mouth or the bumper. So when you're drawing a car, sometimes it's fun to change that and think of it as a face. Maybe your car is angry or it's really happy. Ours looks a little grumpy. Next, we could draw a little emblem for the middle, and then let's connect the two sides together with a curve. Nice. Now let's draw the windshield and the top of our car. We're going to draw two lines, and they're both diagonal. They're coming out from above the headlight and tipping in towards the middle. Then let's connect those two together with a curve. Then let's draw the inside. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming down on both sides and then connect those together also. Let's also draw rear view mirrors or side mirrors. We're going to draw an oval on each side. Now let's draw our luggage. I'm going to draw a rectangle shape on the right side, and we can even draw this luggage looking like it's going to tip off of the car. And then let's also draw a rectangle shape on the other side too. Then we can draw smaller luggage on top of that first set of suitcases. And then we could draw another one over here too. And then, maybe we could draw, maybe we've got a ball on top, a basketball. You have to take some fun things to play while you're on vacation. Then we could add maybe another suitcase here, right in the middle. Let's add details to our suitcase. I'm going to draw the zipper on this one. We could draw straps coming down for this suitcase, and you could change these details too. So I drew two rectangle shapes. We could also add a zipper. Maybe there's one that goes through those straps. And we could also draw, I'm going to draw little latches on this one. And then we can draw a line going through that one. And then this one, I think I'm just add straps going this way. That could be a duffel bag. And then maybe one last suitcase up here. And our basketball. We'll color that orange later. Oh, let's tie down our suitcases with some rope. And I'm going to draw it coming over the top, and then we'll come down the sides and then connect into the car. There's our car. Now we need to add the road. I'm going to draw it in perspective. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming this way and also coming down this way. Then we could imagine maybe the road goes off into the distance and it kind of winds around off the page. And I'm going to draw the other side of the road coming around and following, but getting really small when it's further away. Let's also draw some hills. I'm going to draw one here and maybe one on the other side. Then we could draw a hill right here. And let's also add another one over here on the side. And maybe more land right here. Oh, this could be the ocean, maybe off here and way off in the distance. And let's add some trees. I'm going to add a little bumpy shape right here. I'm going to add more bumpy shapes. I'm going to add some trees or a bush right here. This is fun making crazy shapes. We can add more bushes or trees. Let's add a little one right here. This is looking really fun, and I went really fast. So remember to pause the video, and also don't worry about making it look exactly like mine. You can change the scenery. Maybe there are lots of mountains and no ocean. Oh, we could draw a sun. Let's draw that. And we could draw our clouds too. Let's draw some clouds. I'm going to draw a straight line, and then we'll add a popcorn line on top and connect to the other side. Well, let's add the sun rays around our sun. There we go. And also, we need more clouds. I'm going to draw one right here. And maybe another one here. Oh, we could draw a cloud coming off of the page too. I think we're almost done. We're missing one thing. We need to add our family or the people inside of our car. So I'm going to start here. We'll draw a little face. I'm going to draw a smile and 2 dots. And then we're going to draw the head. Maybe the head's a little too big. That's okay. We're going to draw our person. Oh, we could draw the steering wheel too. We'll draw the shoulders. Let's draw another person over here. I'm going to draw, let's draw the mouth first, and then the eyes. And then this person, I'm going to try to add some hair. There we go. So maybe this is me because it's bald, and then this is Taryn, except she has longer hair. That's okay. And we could draw one of the kids in the background. And this could be Olivia. We need a bigger car, though, for our whole family. Oh, this person's bald, too. Oh, no. I'm going to... We'll add a zigzag. Okay, maybe it's little Jack. And we did it. We finished drawing our road trip. It looks awesome, except we still need to color it. Now this part I'll fast forward, but remember at the end you can always pause the video to match my same coloring or just use it as inspiration for your drawing and color yours any way you want. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring our road trip. I used my markers to draw and color with, but remember, you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You could use crayons, oil pastels, or even watercolor. Painting this drawing would be awesome. I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing a road trip scene. Remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than mine. The most important thing is to have fun and practice. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.